It's Jersey Jaguar, and two of my 2023-2024 City Edition jerseys have arrived. So it's going to be interesting to see which ones have actually arrived. I'm really excited to find out. I'm going to pop them open on camera. When I'm done opening them, I'll go over each one briefly. And it is only going to be briefly because I will have a full interview out sometime coming up soon. With that said, let's get right to it. All right, so we got number one here. Let's go ahead and open it up. Now I kind of open it up slightly before to make it a little bit easier for the video. Ooh, all right. Looks like we got the Lakers. And yes, it is the 2023-2024 Los Angeles Lakers LeBron James jersey. And guys, looking at this one, actually it looks better in person. I'm gonna be honest with you. I think I could come up with some cool outfits for this one. Originally, when it got unveiled, I wasn't that impressed by it. And when it got leaked, I definitely wasn't that impressed. But in person, it is cooler. Let's start off with a quick review. We're gonna have an all black jersey with the 1960s alternate logo. So that's cool. And then we're gonna have purple outlined in gold, and actually gold also outlined in purple on some parts of the jersey. When we flip it around, we're going to have still that purple and black trim around the neck and the arms. We're gonna have James in gold, and we are going to have purple outline in gold for the numbers. Guys, cool jersey. Again, stay tuned for the full review. It'll be out soon. So let's go ahead with number two. Again, I opened the bag. I didn't pull it out. I opened it just so it was easier for the video. Ooh, all right. This one's gonna be a little bit harder to show. We are going to have a paper-filled jersey, but I think you guys can kind of see. Let me get all this doodads off it. Guys, usually I am really meticulous with how I open my jerseys, like extremely meticulous, but obviously due to being on the camera, it's going to be a little bit less fancy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And we are going to have my favorites from the 2023-2024 City Edition series, the Phoenix Suns, Kevindurant. Did they get the size right? They did. Cool. That's a 48. All right, guys. So this is going to be a full extended review coming soon. There's a lot of details on this one. Let's go over it briefly. A darker shade of purple. So purple is my favorite color, specifically the purple on the trims, a true royal purple. The jersey overall, though, is a darker shade of purple, more towards a eggplant, I would say, but a hair less red. So we're going to have the darker shade of purple, royal purple, and orange on the trim. On the front, we are going to have unveil. So that's cool. And the back shadow of it is going to fade. Numbers are going to fade from yellow to pink. Teal outline. We're also going to have teal. And look at that beautiful side design right there. Turning the jersey around, Durant and white, same numbers. Guys, honestly, this jersey looks just as cool in person, if not better than it did online. I still stand, this is probably the best City Edition jersey so far. Obviously, I haven't had them all in my hand yet. So, you know, is what it is. But as is, guys, this is still my favorite. All right, and those are the two that I had come in. Do I have more coming in? I guess you're going to have to wait to find out. Guys, also, again, stay tuned to see the full reviews of those jerseys. They should be out within the next week or so. Also, there's another video you want to see me do in the future. Don't hesitate to ask. I will do my best to get it done. Also, let me know which one of the two you like better. And also, let me know who's your favorite team and who's your favorite City Edition for this year. With that said, I'll see you at the next one.